Welcome at our booth. We see here our newest developments in the field of micro and nano sensors, in particular our pressure sensors. These pressure sensors are developed with MEMS sensors on top of circuitry, electronic circuitry, which are fabricated within our FMD initiative. We have two applications. One is the pressure sensing in the brain, so for hydrocephalus patients. And the second one is our tactile sensing. It could be integrated in a robot where we sense here the pressure in the hand.
Welcome to our EMFT booth. Today we present our electrochemical measurement kit for on-site analysis of nitrogen in the soil. You have to make a sampling out of soil and mix it with water, and then you can measure it. Yeah, we are very proud to be a member of the Forschungsfabrik Mikroelektronik Deutschland.